How's it going, guys? This is just going to be a quick unboxing video because I just got two packages in the mail that I am pretty excited about. So let's flip this camera around and have a look at what we got here. So right after Christmas I did some online shopping on eBay, of course, and picked up a couple things. So let's open these up and see what we got here. Oh yeah, we got ourselves a turbo. Okay, that's heavier than I thought it would be. So this was one of the cheapest turbos I could find on eBay. I think it was around 140 bucks or something like that, Canadian dollars. It is a T3 T4 turbo, which I am planning on installing on the Frankenstein Civic with the H22. So as you all know, I'm slowly building, or will be slowly building, a motor for this, and Frankenstein will be boosted. Probably not this year, but maybe next year we'll get that far. So this is just another part to add to the growing collection over here. So yeah, let's get on to the next package here because I'm really excited about this one. Alright, and now we got box number 2. So we've been planning on making our own stickers and possibly t-shirts and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get this out of here and then I'll show you what we got here. So this is a Silhouette Cameo 3, and basically what it is it's a vinyl cutting machine, but it also does a lot more than just vinyl. It can do all kinds of things. Basically whatever you want to cut out, you just design it on the computer and then you send it to this thing through Bluetooth and it'll cut it out for you. So pretty excited about getting this thing set up. So it came with a bunch of extras too. So these are like all the power cables and everything in here. Came with some beginner's books. Lots of sheets of vinyl here to practice on, so I'm pretty excited to get started with those. This is Oracle 651 vinyl, which is good for automotive use. It's what they call a permanent vinyl. It's still removable, but it's basically what you would see on any automotive use for vinyl stickers and stuff like that. We got some sticker paper, which I guess is more of an indoor use type of thing. So again, something else I can practice designing on. This looks like the cutting mat, which I would use to put the vinyl onto when I'm cutting it out so that it holds it straight and cuts it out accurately. This I think is the dust shield, which comes in a beautiful shade of hot pink. That's exciting. These are some extra tools down here. This is a pen holder. Oh yeah, so we have the pens here for marking stuff out. This I think is the weeding tool for when I'm weeding out the vinyl after it's been cut. And just a scraper, so when applying the vinyl to the transfer tape, or even after you're applying it to a car or something like that, it's got a squeegee or a scraper so you can get all the air bubbles out. And I think that's all the extras, and this is the machine itself, which I ordered the one that's in black. Alright, let's get this out of here. Alright, so they come in a few different colors. I didn't want a boring white one, so I went with the black. It was the same price as a white one anyway, so I figured why not, and it came with a bunch of extras, so that's nice. Yeah, so this is where the blades would go. I got a nice digital display here, or LCD or LED, I don't know. It's got a screen anyway. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So it'll just be a matter of hooking it up to the computer, installing the software, and then we can get designing some stuff. So I'll probably start with some really simple designs just to get a feel for it and just kind of learn how to use the machine. We're in the process of possibly getting an online store together and a website, so hopefully this will help us get some merchandise out there too for you guys. And yeah, So I hope you like this quick little unboxing video. I know it wasn't a whole lot, but I just wanted to keep you guys up to date with what's going on. So some pretty exciting things. We got ourselves a turbo back there and the Silhouette Cameo 3. So I'm excited to get working on this thing and learn how to make some stickers and things like that. And even if I can get myself a heat press, I could make some shirts too. So that's pretty exciting. And of course the turbo, I mean, it's going to be a slow process, but at least it's one more thing I can check off. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you next time.